Guys, welcome to my channel. It's your girl Binta in the building again. So today, as you guys can see, we are looking different, we're looking cute, we're looking all dolled up. Okay, so today's video we're gonna be doing our stay-at-home everyday quarantine makeup look. Okay, so yes, we're staying at home, but we still gotta look cute. Okay, not every day, but sometimes we have to, put ourselves together and look cute for ourselves, so yeah, today we're going to be doing all drugstore makeup, and as you guys can see, I am all done looking so cute, and everything I used on my face is from the drugstore, and they are very inexpensive. Before I continue with this video, I would like for you that is watching to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and leave me your comments down below if you have any questions. Okay, so yeah, if you want to see how I achieve this look here, stay tuned and watch the rest of my video. Alright guys, so I went to Target and I was able to grab a few makeup products from there to do this all drugstore makeup for you guys, and here's the little bag that I was able to come up with. And yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and show you guys some of the products that I grabbed from Target. I did have a couple of drugstores makeup already, so this is just some extra stuff that I got from there. So the very first thing I got is this NYX matte bronzer in the shade Deep Tan, and this is what it looks like. So hopefully this works for my skin. And another thing I got is the Maybelline Superstay foundation. I have never used this one. I used a couple of the Maybelline foundations, but I've never used this one, so today we're going to be using this one. And another thing I got is the Airspun loose powder. I have never used this powder before, so this is the first time I'm going to be using this, and we're going to be using this to set our concealer. And the other thing I got is the Maybelline Master Prime, and this is what it looks like. I have another primer from Maybelline, which is this one, Maybelline Baby Skin. I really like this one, so but in this video I'm gonna be trying this one out. Okay, so another thing I got is the NYX setting spray, and this is what it looks like. This is my favorite from the drugstore. This is what it looks like, and one is matte finish and the other one is the dewy finish. So I just got these to just add on to my collection because I love this setting spray, and I'm running out already, so this is just some extra that I wanted to get. So another thing I get is this Maybelline Lasting Fix. This is also a setting spray, and I think in this video this is what we're going to be using. So I got that. I also got the Maybelline concealer. So as you guys can see, I really like Maybelline products. I have never used this concealer as well, but today this is what we're going to be trying to set under our face and highlight. Okay, so the last thing I got is this Pixi setting spray, the Pixi Glow Mist. Okay, so I have used this before, I have it, but I'm running out. That is why I decided to get it, but we're not gonna be using that. So yeah, that's it for all the items that I got from Target. So let's get started. Okay, I'm just gonna go ahead and wrap the front of my hair a little bit. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and comb my brow hairs upwards. There you go. And I'm gonna use this Wet n Wild brow pencil. I think this was like $1 or $2. I got this from Walmart. And I'm just gonna outline my brows.
Alright guys, so I'm just gonna go ahead and use my spoolie brush to comb through my brows. Alright, now I'm using my LA Girl Pro Conceal, and I'm gonna be using that to conceal my eyebrows. I'm using a random angle brush. This is a small angle brush that I use usually for my brows. You guys, I always like to do my brows before my foundation. I don't know why, but it just makes things a lot easier and less cleaning, and it takes so much time to do your brows. I don't know if it's just me, but I know that I take so much time to do my brows and it's annoying. Anyways, so we're just gonna go ahead and clean up that the concealer. And now I am using a brow gel just to keep my brows in place. So today's look, I am not gonna be putting on any eyeshadow. So all I do is do my brows and set my eyes, and that's it. I'm not putting on eyeshadow because, like I said, this is an everyday look. This is just a look that if I feel like putting on makeup when I'm at home, I would just do this. It's very simple. So anyways, I am using my Maybelline Master Prime to prime my face, and I actually like this primer though. Like I said, I have the baby skin one, but I actually like this one too. And now I'm using my Maybelline Super Stay foundation. I love this foundation. I don't think I've tried any foundation from Maybelline that I didn't like. So far, all the ones I've been trying, I like it. It's not like full coverage, but it is medium to full coverage. It is buildable, so I really like it. And the fact that I don't have a lot of dark spots anymore makes it even better. But I actually like it. Can you guys see? Like, you can barely see any dark spots peeking through. Okay, now I'm using my Instant Age Rewind concealer from Maybelline, and with this concealer I feel like you want to dab it instead of sweeping, because if you sweep it, it kind of moves your foundation, because that happened to me. So you just dab it to the areas you want to apply it to, and it is a beautiful concealer. I thought it was a little lighter than my original skin tone concealer, but I like it. It is so nice. I'll definitely be using it again. So yeah. So now I'm blending my concealer, and normally when I blend my concealer, I would also use the foundation side, because I use the same sponge to blend my concealer as my foundation. So I use the side that I use for foundation to blend the edges of the concealer, just so I don't have any harsh lines. But yeah. Ooh, this powder is so messy when you're opening it. Oh my gosh. But I am using the Airspun powder to set my concealer. And with this powder as well, I did not have any flashbacks with it, so that's a good thing considering the price, because this was like $5 I believe, but it is good. I did not have any flashbacks when I took my pictures, so I like it. And we're gonna be setting all the areas that we applied concealer on, and now I am just gonna be sweet blending that with my face powder, and I am using the L'Oreal True Match so I can blend everything together. Alright guys, now it's time to bronze or contour. I am using the NYX matte bronzer to contour my face. This is a bronzer, but I'm using it to contour. It's a little light. It's not as dark as I want it to, but that's okay. It did the job because this is a very simple look. Like I said, I wasn't even doing anything extra, so it's okay for that look. But if you were doing like a very bold, dramatic, flawless look, I might be using like something a little darker than this. But it worked for my nose though. I used it for my nose contour and it was perfect because I like it because it wasn't very harsh on my nose, because you don't want your nose contour to be harsh. Alright guys, I am using the Maybelline Lasting Fix Setting Spray to set all over my face. And my little handy dandy. I love this fan. Oh my gosh. Alright guys, now it's time to put on a little bit of highlight, and I am using the Milani Fantastic highlighter. Love this highlight. I had this for about 2 years, I believe. I don't even know where I got it from, but I know I love it. We are just putting on a little bit of highlight. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and put my mascara on because I am not putting on any lashes. Like I said, this is the most simple look I have done so far when it comes to makeup. I never do makeup without putting on my falsies, but today we're not putting on lashes. I'm just putting on my mascara, and this look is so simple, so quick and simple. This is a real everyday look. This is a real everyday stay-at-home quarantine look. But yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and put my black liner on my eyes, and yeah. Now I'm lining my lips with my ColourPop lip liner. Okay guys, so to keep this look as natural as it can be, I am only putting a lip gloss on, and this lip gloss is from Bath and Body Works. I love this lip liner. It's the peppermint lip, not a lip liner, a lip gloss. It's the peppermint lip gloss, and it tastes so good as well. So that is what I'm just gonna go ahead and put on, and we should be done with this look. Alright guys, we're done with the fizz, and I'm just gonna go ahead and do something with my hair, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. I just went ahead and straightened my hair a little bit, and that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.